Hi students, today we're going to continue to work on our StoryCorps projects. Remember, our final project for ELS class is a StoryCorps interview with somebody in your household. It can be in either English or Spanish, and we're really focusing on hearing somebody's story. So StoryCorps is that nonprofit organization that's recorded over 45,000 American stories. Today we're going to think about why do stories matter and why is it important to hear stories? Do we hear everyone's stories in America, or do we hear some more than others? And how does that affect us? Imagine if we only heard the stories of like white men in America. How would that be different than us hearing the stories of all of society? So before you begin the do now, right down below this video, you'll see a thing that says Obama video. Please click here and watch this. It's a YouTube video, looks like this, of the Obamas. So a little bit explaining what's going on here. Once the Obamas left the White House and President Barack Obama wasn't our president anymore, they started a company that supports filmmakers and helps people, create films that tell people's stories. So in this clip, they're having a conversation with Stephen Bogner and Julia Reichert, who made the film American Factory. It's on Netflix. I highly recommend watching it. About a closing factory in America. So the filmmakers and the Obamas are just having a conversation about why stories matter. I think it's really insightful and will help you answer this second question down here. Watch from the beginning. You can watch the whole thing or just watch about the first minute and a half to 1:30 will help you a lot. So watch this next video, answer these questions, and then there'll be more instructions down below. Thanks, guys.